Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I got something in the mail today I want to show you guys. So a couple weeks ago, Brad over at Full Custom Diecast had a drawing for his 200 subscriber celebration prize giveaway, and I actually won. I was so surprised because I never win anything like this. So I just want to show you all the stuff he sent me, and I don't remember what all he said, and I'm not too familiar with his products, but I've been talking to him off and on a few times over the last few weeks, and he said so put some extra goodies in here for me too. So let's get these pulled out and see what there is. So he has all these 3D printed wheels and parts that he sent me. And it looks like there's some big 4x4 wheels. You know, I don't know. We might use those in a gas on his bill. We might put them on a 4x4 truck. I don't know. And there's... Now, there was one he showed me, and I saw the picture on Instagram of one of his new wheels. And I don't know which one it was. Hey, look at this. We're sorting wheels on video. Alright. And he asked me what size I wanted, and I told him, you know, 10 millimeter, you know, 12 millimeter. We have the things that I use. I probably should have sorted these out before I started this. I can barely see what I'm looking at. I think that might be the new one. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll know it when I see it. Looks like some pretty cool stuff here. All nice 5 spokes. And incidentally, he actually lives close to the area that I'm originally from. Over there, he's from Fort Wayne, Indiana there. And I actually grew up in northwest Ohio in the tri-state area. Let's see. I don't know what all there is. Those are the same, right? Okay. So there's a set, there's a set. Thought I had a set of those. Different one. Must be this one here. Alright. We're doing something. We're doing something. Okay. So this... So we have a set of these. You guys probably can't even see what's in there, huh? There's a set of those, a set of 4. There's a set of 4 like this. And a set of 4 just like that. Ah, probably ought to turn some light on in here, huh? And this is... There's that one. Set of those. And this looks like a snowflake in there. There's a set of those. And a set of those. And a set of those. And a set of those. So those are all pretty awesome. I definitely got to find a way to use these in a build. Or more than one. Oh. Okay. So there's a set there. Interesting. Sent me a set with no rubber. Alright. Get those out of the way, and what I was really excited about was, and I'll show you here, what else there is. So he sent me a couple of LS twin turbo engines. Those are awesome. Now if I knew how to make an exhaust, we'd be golden. We'll figure out something to do with those sometime. And I think these are like inner wheels for something. Maybe he can send me a message on Facebook, or put a comment down below and tell me what that's for. And I'm dropping things. And I don't know. That looks like it's supposed to be liquid nitrogen bottle there. So there's a couple 3D printed bases for cars, and I actually have some of those cars. So this will be for this, to turn this into a regular street car, is what that is. Okay. And then the Nova wagon, the Nova Gasser wagon, another base to turn that into a street car there. So that is neat. We're definitely going to do something with those sometime. So Brad, thank you. Oh, and one more thing. There's a couple more things actually. So he sent me a person, and I think it's a guy with bushy hair, and I don't know what the guy's trying to say to me, but he's got something on his mind. So that's pretty neat. I am not a figure painter, so we'll see. And then he, as a bonus, he sent me these stands. And what we can do with those is, if I set them the right way, when we do our put our cars up on the turntable, and I'm failing at this already. Yeah, we got 3 out of the 4. I am a glutton for punishment. Maybe we just use 2. When he told me he was gonna include these, I was like, yeah, that's awesome. I can. That's the first thing I thought of. Put the cars up on the turntable, up on those stands, and yeah, we'll see. All right, Brad, thank you, brother. I appreciate you sending all this stuff and the extras and everything, and I will be using this stuff. And if you guys need anything, you can contact him, and he'll help you out if you need anything 3D printed. So, Brad, Full Custom Diecast, celebrating his 200 subscriber special. Let me check right now and see where he is. Full Custom Diecast Garage. He's at 237 subscribers right now. So if you guys haven't seen his channel, go over there, check him out, and subscribe and leave a comment on his videos. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.